Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP JPY, and as you can see I am in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so if we just look at the chart, then there is no denial that market is in uptrend. Okay, market is in uptrend, and more or less market was taking support at the 50 moving average. Okay, here. So on multiple occasions we saw that market took support at the 50 moving average, and right now still market is trying to hold the support. Okay, right now market is still struggling to hold the support, or market is still trying to respect 50 moving average as the support. Okay, see, anyways, uh, as we all know that trend is our friend, we should not go against the trend. So considering the trend of the market, we should only be looking for buying opportunities, is not it? Yes, because see, if you go for shorting opportunity, short the market, then there is a good amount of possibility that you may get trapped. Therefore, do not short the market, and following the trend of the market, we will only be looking for buying opportunities. Okay. Secondly, as I always say, we should always look for the area of value in chart. Okay, and in this case, the area of value is the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average, because see, in an uptrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity, the golden spot, is always near the 50 moving average or the support. Here 50 moving average is the support. So okay, so 50 moving average is important. Secondly, in a downtrend market, area of value or the best trading opportunity to short the market is always near the resistance. So but we do not require this stuff because right now market is in uptrend. See, one thing we have understood, that yes, 50 moving average is very important. It's not it, because 50 moving average is more or less acting as a support to the market. But if I tell you to look at this particular portion, okay, just forget about the uptrend. Okay, market is in uptrend, market is bullish, just forget about the part and just look at this particular portion. Do you still think that market is in uptrend? No, because see, if we just concentrate on this part, or if we just look at this part, we can easily see that market is in a tight range. Undoubtedly, overall trend of the market is towards the upside. Overall market is in uptrend, but right now market is in a range. Market is trading in a range. Therefore, this 50 moving average is no longer valid. Okay, this area of value is no longer valid to us. See, area, we need a how? So we need an area of value, because because we do not want to go against the trading discipline. We do not want to go against the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so the best trading opportunity in this market as of now is wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, see, this level, okay, this resistance level. Okay, wait for the market to cross this level, 154.86. Wait for the market to cross this level. When market will cross this level, okay, try to understand my words here. Okay, when market will cross this level, wait for 2 3 hours, 4 hours, and just try to understand the market. Just try to study the chart. Just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is trading comfortably above 154.86 level, if his price is trading comfortably, price is not struggling, there is no price struggle, then you will get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support now. Then you can go for a buy order. So in this chart, the area of value is the this is the sorry, area of value is this level, 154.86 level. Previously 50 moving average was the area of value. 50 moving average was, it was the best trading opportunity for us. But right now market is in a tight range, therefore our area of value has shifted to this particular resistance level. Okay, so we'll have to wait for the market to cross this level so that the resistance become the support. Once the resistance become the support, then we can go for the buy order, and this will be our next area of value. Okay, and on the other hand, if you're looking for some quick profit, okay, if you're looking for some quick profit, then wait for the market to come down to this level, 153 point, sorry, 12 level. If you see, or if you find market near about this range, okay, then just observe the price again. If you see that price is bouncing back from here, then you can go for a quick profit. Do not expect much, okay, do not expect that from here market will go there easily, okay, because market is in range. There will be a battle between bulls and the bears, so you can go for 20-30 pips profit max. Okay, but if market bounces from here, okay, this level 153.12 level, then you can go for a quick profit. Okay, otherwise if you are looking for a good trade, long trade, then 154.86 is the value. This level is important for us. We will have to wait for the market to cross this level so that we get the best price, because our area of value has shifted from this, from 50 moving average to this level, 154.86 level. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.